Alright guys, today I'm going to go ahead and take a look at two different AR glasses when it comes to being connected to a MacBook. I'm currently connecting my X-Real Air 2 Pro to my MacBook, and then we're going to be looking at the Viture 1. Now, both of these have really cool softwares that are optimized for these glasses. So for the X-Real Airs 2 Pro, it does go ahead and utilize the Nebula app on Mac in order to go ahead and give you three different options. The three options you have is three separate displays. Then you have two separate displays that are next to each other, or you can have one singular display. You can also go ahead and change it from 72 hertz to 90 hertz. So depending on what you want your refresh rate to be. But as you can see, this is what I'm seeing when I look into my X2 Air Pros. I can see three separate displays all next to each other. Now, if I go up here, you can see I can actually change this. I can change this to two separate displays on either side. So I have my main display and I have one on the right-hand side. You can also change it so that displays on the left-hand side if you really wanted it. But it has two separate displays just like this. Or I can go one singular display, and either option. I like the three separate displays personally. But again, like I said, if you want to have one display, you can. You can also go ahead and zoom out on this display or have it very close to your face, depending on, how your eyesight is, whether or not you want it really zoomed in or you want it really zoomed out. Personally speaking wise, I do love the X-Real Airs when it comes to connecting to a Mac. They are my favorite personally. It is my cup of tea. I just think it works so seamlessly and it's so amazing. And again, if I had to pick one between this or the Viture 1s, I'd probably go with the X-Real Airs personally. But again, like I said, now we're going to switch over to the Viture 1s and take a look at how the brand new app that recently launched, which is called Spacewalker, how it optimizes the Viture 1 glasses to be utilized on the brand new MacBooks. Now, keep in mind, when it comes to Spacewalker, this is actually very, very brand new. They do have an application for the iPhone that works out very well. But in order to download this, you actually have to go to a forum, and it's a whole process. It's not on the App Store. I couldn't find the App Store when I looked because you have to download it. It's currently, I believe, in beta / just got released. Now, when you go ahead and do this, as you can see right there, you do have different options. Now, I really, really do love the ultra-wide feature of the Spacewalker app. As you can see for this one right here, it gives you that beautiful curved, I want to say like 46-inch display. That's kind of how it looks like when I'm in it. But with that being said, this is probably my favorite design possible, is the ultra wide. You can also go just like the X-Real Airs. You can go with the side-by-side. You can go with the triple display option, two display option, or you actually have even more options. So you're going to see as we go through here, you have an option that you can stack the displays on top of each other. Just like if you would have like one display at the very top of maybe your wall, one in middle, and then one below. You can also have two that are vertical on either side of you with one normal in on the middle. Again, Viture has done a great job of really optimizing this and making it so that it's really a different experience. Unless you actually experience it, it's out of this world, right? They call it Spacewalker, that's the application name, and it's really, to a certain degree, out of this world, how much you can really optimize this. And again, like I said, I think for the most part, people are going to say that their favorite is going to be Viture 1, and I truly do understand that, because when it comes to options, Viture is very much up there when it comes to the best. You can also lock your headsets, or you lock your head angle, you can reset the cursor, you can do all that kind of stuff, which I really do like with the Viture 1. Again, like I said, I do like the X-Reals more, but it is very, very close, and both of them are very great. And especially with the Spacewalker app, you're able to do so much with the Viture 1s. It's just truly amazing. That's kind of how I will look at it and what I'll say about it. And again, like I said, you have so many different options to kind of customize and, fit to your exact liking of what you want to do when it comes to this headset. So again, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. If you tried out both of them, tell me down below which one you like more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.